Let's begin with the breaking news coming in. Home Minister Amit Shah, who will be attending the swearing-in ceremony of Chandrababu Naidu tomorrow, will be touching down in Vijayawada today. And there's a meeting slated to happen between Home Minister Amit Shah and Chandrababu Naidu at 10 p.m. tonight. It will happen at Naidu's residence in Undavali of Amravati. Now, what's on the agenda? Well, we're hearing that there will be a discussion on the national as well as state political scenario, considering that the TDP and the BJP are in an alliance in the centre as well as the state. So there will be crucial discussions held on the particular alliance formulation. Let's talk to Apurva Jayachandran on this as well. Apurva, all issues are ironed out in the centre. It's clear that the TDP is happy with what they've gotten. Now the question is over the state. How many cabinet berths will the BJP get from TDP?
Well, that's right, Akshita. It's going to be quite interesting to note because remember, 25 seats there for the ministerial berth here in Andhra Pradesh, and what we are hearing is most likely 2 seats will be allotted to the BJP here at the state cabinet. That's what we are hearing from sources. It's going to be interesting to see because remember, the Telugu Desam Party and the Janasena-led alliance was merged into the BJP just a couple of months back, and this was roughly around the time when there was a surety of the alliance whether it would stick. And now post the massive win that the Telugu Desam, the Janasena and the Bharatiya Janata Party have had in this Andhra Pradesh assembly elections and the Lok Sabha elections as well, we are getting to know that the seat sharing talks are also taking place simultaneously right now. We are hearing that senior leaders from the BJP, the Janasena and the Telugu Desam Party are meeting at Nara Chandrababu Naidu's residences today. In fact, what we are learning is that Nara Chandrababu Naidu, Pawan Kalyan as well as Purandeshwari, all these 3 leaders are at Chandrababu Naidu's residences where the meeting is scheduled to take place in just a couple of time.